Oh, get rid of that.
On this adventure, I head up with Anna to hike one of our favorites and see if we can find a few river fish for a meal. This hike was the first time we had an overnight without the boys in a very long time. It wasn't going to be a chill vacation though. We planned to cover 20 kilometers in the next 24 hours. We headed in that afternoon to set up camp. Anna and I both took a quick swim in the one pool and I decided to start fishing. First cast and I hooked into my personal best brook trout in a river. That is my PB.
Oh shit! Ben, I want a picture. Why don't we eat this? Why are we not? Is he gone or is he?
Looks like that might be a good little spot. I found a few more fish up and down the river that evening and got a couple rainbow for the campfire. We spent the evening watching the life around us as the sun set behind the hills. We could go hiking. Just wanted some coffee, and all I got is mushroom mix. It's 8 a.m. and we're gonna go finish the rest of the hike in to the falls.
Is there someone in here?
Does it go way up?
Oh my gosh, this is freaking me right out. There's a freaking old tree right there. I see one. Are there babies? They're traveling in a pack.
Look at them all. There's like 5 of them. The next morning we hiked the rest of the way up to the falls and I was trying to fish the pools as we went, while trying to keep up with my wife, which forced me to go into second gear on the trail. Anna likes the hike for the act of hiking and exercise. I like the hike for the destination, especially if it includes fishing, hunting, and the woods. Even though we get slightly different things from it, we both are filled after a trip like this. There. Little rainbow. It's gonna be breakfast.
Where are you going?
There are spots that make you stop and stare if you just spend the time and energy to get to them. These falls are one of those spots.
That's a strange color to see in the woods.
Oh. Oh.
Just a one night. Got to the top and back. Now we're headed home.
It is important to spend the time with a partner you choose experiencing new things together. It's now an experience you share and is something you can remember together. This is something I need to ensure I prioritize in the coming years to keep us strong as a unit.